Where's Firehawk today? Oh. Let's put some gloves on first.
Yes, everybody get gloves on first, including me. First is our question. How big will it grow and what will it feel like? That is our question for this.
It will feel fluffy.
So we are observing this now, which is the next step in the scientific process. We know water is room temperature and it's wet. It's not thick. It's a thin liquid.
Yes.
Look at this. Tell me what it looks like to you.
It looks like sugar or salt.
It looks like sugar or salt. And we're going to get it wet
and
see what happens. So 3 in our scientific method, which is our, do you remember?
No.
Our hypothesis. We gotta guess what's gonna happen. So Firehawk, what do you think is gonna happen when we put the water in with it?
I think it's gonna fill up the whole entire bowl.
You think it's gonna fill up the whole entire bowl? What do you think it'll feel like?
Soft and a little bit cold.
Soft and a little bit cold. Tiger girl, how big do you think it will get?
Like a dish.
The whole bowl? What do you think it'll feel like?
Salt and peppermint and softness and sugar.
Softness and minty and peppermint and sugar. Okay. Super Oreo, come here.
What do you think will it feel like?
How big do you think it will get in the bowl? You think it'll fill up like half the bowl?
Like almost.
Almost full. What do you think it'll feel like?
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Cut it open bread.
And
then we get to pour
look like sugar,
It'll
salt.
okay, fluffy but still like salt. Now everybody, we are going to do step 4 in our scientific method and test our hypothesis. So that means we're going to do the experiment and see what is really going to happen. All right, so I'm supposed to pour that in first. Wait just a second. Can you please throw this in the trash for me? Thank you. All right, go ahead and pour the water. Okay, stir it. Stir it. We got to stir it. Maybe it almost is like it needs a tiny bit more water. Super Oreo is going to get us a little bit more water, but let me show our viewers what this looks like. It is white and it is definitely fluffy, but it kind of jiggles a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of jiggles. So we're going to add a little bit more water, just a tiny bit. Whoa, not all of it. Now it's getting really wet. Well, it definitely did not. It definitely did not fill up the bowl. It's definitely fluffy, but it's kind of like jelly-ish.
It's cold.
It's a little bit cold, but we used cold water. So
what? I said cold.
look at it. See, it's kind of like jiggly, like Jello. This is us reporting our findings. So we were all right that it would be fluffy, and they weren't individual granules that got bigger. It just kind of all blended in together. And it's definitely not snow, because it's kind of like jelly. Kind of weird, like jelly. So we did our experiment, and I'm kind of keeping it away so they don't touch it anymore because we don't have our gloves on anymore. So Super Oreo's hypothesis was that it would be what?
It looks like sugar, salt, and
it would be fluffy. And they all kind of thought that it would fill the bowl, but it definitely did not fill the bowl. But it definitely did get a lot bigger.
I thought they would grow, the little tiny sugar salt thingies. I thought they will grow. grow.
each like individual granules would grow, but that didn't happen either. It just kind of blended into itself. It just got big and fluffy and expanded. And like I said, it's kind of jelly-like. It kind of jiggles, if you can see that. So we were right in our hypotheses and wrong, because it didn't get as big as we thought, but it definitely got fluffy, and it didn't get any colder than what the water already was. We don't need scissors.
Yes, we do to cut that open.
Oh, you're right. Thank you. We're not, we need to do step, it's like, this is Create Jubilance. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Be sure and give us that thumbs up. Woohoo, thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you get notifications when we do more experiments and super fun crafts. Thank you.